the frozen forest of Canada, winter lasts for 6 months. Under the ground, the most northern turtles in the world are frozen. They are painted turtles that hatched last fall. Since then, they have barely moved and were frozen by the harsh winter. They are now dead. But for some animals, death is not permanent. Painted turtles are waiting for the most crucial moment. The arrival of spring. Their body temperature rises above zero, and their hearts start beating again. They slowly come back to life. Thanks to their body's superpowers, these turtles survive.